welcome to Letscookolet. Today I want to show you how to make infused olive oil using some fresh herbs and fresh chili pepper and orange peel and lemon peel. And today I'm making two different flavors. So I'm making one with the chili, fresh chili pepper and rosemary for to be used for pasta and pizza. And as my favorite one, it's the lemon zesty one, or the zesty lemon one. And this one is my favorite. I use it all the time when I make a breakfast, scrambled egg, or you fry your eggs. So first we're gonna start with the oil, and don't preheat up your pan. You just put the oil, orange and lemon peel. So I'm just gonna slice it, put it on the side, and I have here some lemongrass. I'm just gonna slice it in half and have it ready on the side. And for the zesty lemon one, I'm using some fresh thyme. Voila. Now we're gonna work on the chili and the rosemary one. So you can put the whole things, but it's better to slice it in half, because from outside that's where the flavor and the heat and the kick, it's the seed and this pinkish color inside. This is where the heat is. So we need rosemary as well. I just cut the bottom just a little bit. And I'm using here fresh oregano as well. So I'm putting first the zesty lemon one. And probably I forgot to mention, I have a couple of peeled fresh garlic I'm gonna add as well. And very important, don't preheat your oil before you put this stuff in, because we're not going to fry them, we're going to steep them. So you put everything in the oil, then you turn on your stove, and as soon as the oil reaches 300, you turn it off, you take the stuff outside on the plate, and you let the oil cool down, and then you pour it in the bottle. Voila. So for the zesty lemon one here, I have orange zest, lemongrass, fresh garlic, and fresh thyme. And for the spicy one, chili and fresh oregano and garlic as well, fresh garlic. And I'm using the fresh rosemary. And for the spicy one, I'm just gonna add some chili flake. This is give you a nice kick and color. And now you turn your stove on medium high, and you're gonna check it till it reach 300. Once reach 300, you turn off and you let it steep for 4 to 6 minutes. Then you move it on the side. Voila! As you can see here, just a little bubble. So now we need about 4 minutes to steep the herbs. And of course turn off. And why I'm keeping these here, because the flavor already infused into the oil, so pretty much these gonna be garnished in the bottle. So let's open up here and let's put the herbs first. I'm gonna start with the lemon citric one. Let me put the red chili first. Rosemary. Now, all what you need here, just a funnel. And let's fill it up. You can tell this one different color. So infused olive oil with two different flavor. It's the zesty lemon drizzle and the chili and rosemary drizzle. So you cool down this one, you leave it on a counter. They're good to go for a month, month and a half. Or if you put it in a fridge, you're good to go for 3 to 4 months, no problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.